In this lesson, you'll learn how to create a WhatsApp campaign in SendPulse step by step. We'll cover how to select your audience, create the message, add content and buttons, schedule sending, and analyze campaign performance. Let's dive in. Go to your WhatsApp chatbot dashboard and click Create Campaign. Next, select your campaign recipients. You can choose to send the campaign to all subscribers using an approved template or send it to contacts who have interacted with your chatbot within the last 24 hours. This option allows you to send free messages without using a template. You can enter any text, use variables and emojis, and add extra content like images, files, audio, video, cards, or product cards. You can also add buttons to continue a flow, open a link, display a list, or start a payment. You can add up to 3 flow buttons or 1 link, list, or payment button per text block. For template campaigns, you can narrow down your audience. Select the Segment Recipients checkbox and set the conditions. You can segment users by subscription date, tags, chatbot flow participation, received campaigns, variables, and more. To combine multiple conditions, click Add Segmentation Criteria and select the required options. Next, choose a template and replace the placeholder variables with variables from the Audience tab. If your template includes an image or attachment, upload it at this step. If your WhatsApp business account is linked to Meta Ads Manager, you can enable the Marketing Messages Lite API for marketing template messages. This delivery optimization mode reduces campaign costs by sending messages only to users who are more likely to engage and complete target actions. Users who are unlikely to respond may not receive the message. This also helps protect your sender reputation by reducing the number of messages marked as unwanted. When you click Enable Optimizations, SendPulse sends a request to your Meta Business portfolio. Head to the Requests tab, go to Other Requests, and approve the request to allow optimized marketing messages. You can learn more in our self-help guide attached to this lesson. In the next window, choose to send your campaign right away or schedule it for a specific date and time. Before sending, you'll see a pricing breakdown based on the selected number of recipients. The cost is deducted from your account balance. If WhatsApp reports a message as undelivered, the amount is refunded to your balance. Go to the Campaigns tab and select a campaign to view its statistics. You'll see how many messages were delivered and how many recipients interacted with your chatbot, as well as campaign costs and delivery details. You can also view the list of recipients with their delivery statuses and export it as a CSV file. Keep in mind that WhatsApp business accounts have messaging limits based on account tiers. These limits apply across all phone numbers connected to the same Meta Business portfolio. Verified accounts start at Tier 1, allowing you to message up to 2,000 unique customers within 24 hours. To move to Tier 2, 10,000, or Tier 3, 100,000, you need to maintain your message quality above medium. You can check your phone number status, quality rating, and current messaging limits in your Meta Business account. We already covered messaging limits earlier in this course. To go through them one more time, go back to the first section. Now you know how to create WhatsApp message templates and use them in your campaigns and chatbot flows. Before you send a single template message or campaign, it's important to make sure subscribers have opted in to receive messages from your business. We'll cover how to collect and manage opt-ins in the next lesson.